Hi, my name is Helena. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a fabulous dessert. And what I'm going to make is what I call Philadelphia blueberry panna cotta. So what we're going to start with is to heat up half and half together with sugar. While that's heating, I'm putting 3 leaves of gelatin into water to bloom the gelatin, to soften it. That means to soften it up. If you don't have gelatin sheets and you want to use gelatin powder instead, 1 sheet equals 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder. And what you would do is not to bloom it, you would just sprinkle it into the hot cream when it's ready. So while those are sitting in there, I'm waiting for the cream. I'm going to start preparing the other ingredients. For flavoring, I have pureed fresh blueberries, and I also have some fresh orange, but from the orange I'm only going to use the peel. So I'm using my zester, and I'm taking off about 1 to 2 teaspoons of the orange zest. Our cream is ready, the sugar is melted in there, and it's hot. So what I'm going to do now is to take my gelatin sheets, squeeze out the water, and then we're going to put them in the hot liquid and stir it around until it's completely melted in. We're going to set this aside to cool a little bit. While the cream is cooling over here, I'm going to take the cream cheese, 8 ounces 1 pack of this original cream cheese. I let it get to room temperature so it's easier to whip, and cut it up in small pieces. Putting it in there together with the orange zest that I already put in the bowl. I'm pouring my blueberry puree in here. Now we're going to mix this up. I want this to be really smooth and nice, so I'm going to see so no cheese is stuck on the bottom using my spatula. You don't want any lumps in here. Give it another one. Our cream cheese is whipped up together with the blueberry puree and the orange zest, and it's really fluffy and nice in here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the cream that I put the gelatin in to melt, and then also the sugar. So I'm slowly going to pour that in while whipping it. I'm using my little safety thing here. Down and scrape with a spatula and go all the way into the bottom. Okay, let's give it another whip. Philadelphia cheese and blueberries together, that's a fantastic combination. And put a little orange to that too. It's going to make your day. So, to finish these up, we're going to put our mix into some nice glasses. And we're not going to drink this. We're going to refrigerate it and then take them out to finish up decorating. It's going to look like a really fancy dessert, but you and I know how easy it is to make. We're gonna put this cold for a little while now. Our panna cotta is now ready. How you can check so it's ready is just to tip it over a little bit, and you see that it doesn't move around too much. And now we're gonna decorate this one. So I have a little whipped cream that I'm putting in the middle, and because we have the orange zest in, I'm using a little orange slice for extra decoration. And there it is, all ready. So easy, so delicious, and just looks so fancy, doesn't it? It's perfect because you can make it ahead before your guest comes, and then you just take it out, put the little cream and the orange on, and it's ready to be served. So it makes your life very easy when you're having guests come over. Isn't it amazing how many great recipes we can make with cream cheese? And now we even have more different flavors, but the original though, it just works so well in certain desserts. And for a dessert with fresh blueberries, original cream cheese is just the best. So I am ready to have a taste. This looks so good. This is just blueberry cream cheese heaven. It's creamy, tasty, and it's just so light and fluffy, but you just get that wholeness of richness to the whole dish. You gotta try this recipe, it's just fantastic. And if you don't have blueberries, you can always use other berries too. Thank you for watching.